Okay, YouTube, what's happening? Today we're changing the canister purge valve, which codes could be P0441. There's a couple of other ones that could lead to this, and it deals with the emissions, not so much emissions, but the vapors of the fuel. So it regulates that, and you can get poor fuel economy and whatsoever, and it does check the vapors from the fuel tank and regulates that. This is the part number PV574. It's about $35. And the first thing you do, this just slides up. You have to unlock this part, and then you just pull this, which of course I'm one hand with the camera, one hand with the part, so hold on. Now that lock at the bottom, that green part, you have to push that in, then pull up. And there's one last tube that you have to undo right here. Now you attach the tube back and just work opposite. After you've hooked the tubing at the bottom, make sure it's locked. Put your wiring harness back, lock it all the way. That's how you know it's on there right. Double check the bottom one again, and then all you do, might have to watch your wiring. Let's see here. So you got your connector here. It's clicked, it's locked. You got the one at the bottom right here that's got to be locked. Make sure your tube right there is connected really good. I'm trying to zoom in on it for y'all. Okay, and then you put it back. I have to watch your wiring, and you just make sure that it seats back on there like that. I gotta fix this little clip right here, but so we're all locked in. That's your canister purge valve. This is a 2009 Dodge Charger SXT, so through 2006, 2010, this is it. All right, y'all.